Welcome back to another video of Pure Tech. In the last video, we already discussed about available fields inside Odoo. We already discussed multiple field and its data types. So today we are going to discuss about the parameters inside a field. We can give multiple parameters, different kind of parameters inside a field to control in user experience. Along with that, we can just check how we can define a search view, like we can just search and retrieve the information from Odoo model. Let us start. So this is our existing application. As we discussed in the previous videos, we just define a student management system here. So we can have this student management module. So we already declared a lot of fields here in this form view. And if you have any doubt on these fields, just check out my previous videos. So here we can have a name, joining, and all these informations are here. So this suppose if I create a new record, I can just save it without giving any information here because there is no condition to for a required or those kind of things. So this is fully open. So now we are coming to the controlling possibilities of field inside Odoo. So let us come back to our IDE. So here we defined all our fields, and this is our student view. If you have any doubt on this hierarchy and structure or anything, just check out my previous videos. I just created a playlist also. You can just get into that playlist and check each videos. So here let us check first name and last name. So we can just make these fields required. If it's not given, we don't want to save this record. So I can just put it as required equal to 1. The same we can just give it into Python side also. The same. Suppose if we are not, if you don't want to put it in XML side, we can just put it here in Python side also. Required equal to 1. Then I just upgrading my module. I'm coming back to yes. If I create a new record, I can able to save if I didn't give any first name because it marked as required. You can see it's indicated in the right side. Suppose I just put a first name Pura, then only I would able to save. Otherwise I can't. So this is what we called required. Next is invisible. Suppose I define a field like address. I don't want to show it in the user side, but I just want to use it in my other purposes. I just making it as invisible. I'll just say address here. I can just put invisible equal to 1. The same we can just give it in the Python side also. I just upgrading and reloading. Now the address field is disappeared from the view, but it is there in the code side. If you open it, you can see it here. It's available, and but it is not listing under form view. This is invisible. Next is string. Suppose I defined a field here, like in this Python side, I just put it as let us current address. I just put it as current address. I just want to use this in the view like address only. So instead of here, I can just put string equal to address. If you open in Python side, you can see it's the current address. This is the actual name that we defined in the Python side. But in the UI side, we can control from here string is equal to address. So now I just come back to my terminal and upgrading the same and reloading. So we already make it as invisible. So I just make it into visible. Otherwise, we can't able to see the field name change. No, field not string change. I'm reloading. So you can see it's named to address. If you check in Python side, it is still it is current address. This is the parameter string. Next is default. Default we already discussed here. Like if you create a date field, you can see creation date. I can just define the default value. I mean, whenever create a new record, it will automatically load the default value. Here you can see it's the current date time. So suppose in the first name I just want to show like default. I can just say it as Optura and upgrading here and reloading. When I am creating a new record, see the name is automatically suggested as Optura. So like that way we can define the default value here. Next is help. Suppose if you define a field, the user, we want to pass a message to user. If they confuse with something, we just want to pass some information for helping them to fill the field. Let us say it is description. So in this ID proof, I just giving a help text. You can just put it as help equal to please upload your latest ID proof. Okay, and then I just upgrading the same. Then in the UI side, the user will get some information with this text. See if we if there is any help parameter added, you can see this question mark here. If you put it here, please upload your latest ID proof. That will help the user to fill the data effectively. Next is read only. Suppose, as you know, if you are creating this record, this creation date we can able to update. This is not sensible because it should save automatically. Whenever creating a record, that data should be saved automatically. Otherwise, it will make some confusion. So we can just make that field read only. So we can just come back to this creation date field. We can put read only equal to 1. Then we can upgrade it. So if you, whenever we creating a new record, this field is read-only field. We can't able to change any data from this field. All other data we can make edit and save. So the creation date will be auto saved based on the default date suggestion, date and time suggestion along with read-only field. There is a lot of advanced control parameters inside fields that we will discuss along with the field definition and functionalities on coming videos. Thank you.